first time playing at a gated farm tennis academy. Let's check it out. Don't want to give the code away. Very good. All right.
Welcome to Match Point Farm Tennis.
Pretty cool. All right. All right, let's see what we got today. All right, Dan, you got a great property. This is awesome. So we're at Match Point Farms Tennis Academy. So Dan lives out here. We're in Milton, Georgia. We've got some horses.
It's a horse farm, 3 horses, and a training facility for horses and tennis.
Nice, nice. What a great combination, and a rare combination. I think if we were to Google that, it would be an uncommon.
Very uncommon.
How many folks normally come out here and train with you guys?
We have about 30 students right now.
Nice,
So
nice.
ranging from 15 to about 85 years old.
Awesome. It's a game for life.
It is.
All right, Dan, thank you for having us out here
Thank
today.
you. Yes,
we'll have a little
enjoy.
fun. We'll check out the property, learn a little bit about tennis. Let's do it.
Okay. A nice view. If you go up to the barn, you kind of get a nice.
Yeah, let's take a walk up here.
You wanna walk up there?
Look at these guys. Talk about a whole new kind of spectator, huh?
This is Blizzard.
Blizzard?
Blizzard.
All right, it's Blizzard. Hey, buddy. Wow, good morning.
Blizzard is one step away from being qualified for the Olympics.
Whoa. An Olympian. Good morning. Good morning. You're sweet. And who's this?
And this is Rocky.
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 Morning, Rocky.
We're from Philadelphia. We named him like that.
Yeah, that's a sweet guy. All right, you gonna watch us hit some tennis balls? Wow, all right. Very cool. Rocky.
Yeah, Blizzard came from Ireland, directly from Ireland.
Wonderful.
Bought off the internet.
Really?
He flew from Dublin to Paris, Paris to Chicago, Chicago, Atlanta.
Cool. Did you have any horse experience before this?
No, and I still have none. I have to give my son all the credit. He's
What a great property, Dan. This is cool.
It's a neat property.
Yeah.
It's for a small one. It's just laid out nicely.
When did y'all move out here?
We bought this like 4 years ago.
Okay.
It was in pretty bad shape, so we've been.
Well, you've done a great job. There's Rocky. Hey, buddy. Hold on. Distracted. Look at these guys. Beautiful, beautiful. That's
Isabella, they have to, every morning, they have to reestablish who is in charge. Who's the boss?
Who is the boss?
The Rocky's the boss.
Looks like Rocky's in charge today. Maybe tomorrow, Blizzard. Maybe tomorrow. Oh. I mean, just up to your backyard. How cool is that? Like, oh yeah. Put on a show. Sweet.
So that's their favorite corner.
Oh man, what a great property. The horses are awesome. This is definitely a first. You've got a great place. Thank you, Dan, for having me.
Thanks for coming, Dr. Topspin. It's great to have you here.
Good stuff. Glad to have you. We'll see you next time. We're out.